Hi kids, let's look at this 2019 PSLE question here. In the figure below, ABCD is a rectangle. The points F, G and H lie on the rectangle ABCD. DEF and HEG are straight lines. Find angle FGE in part A, and in part B, find angle EDH. Now let's look at the figure given. We are already given three different angles, 86, 92 and 48. So let's look at the first angle that we're supposed to find, which is FGE, which is this angle over here. Now, what can we deduce from the information that we already have? Okay, so that is how you must proceed with this question. Okay, it may not be a direct way in which you can immediately find the answer. You may need to find other angles, and along the way, while you're finding other angles, you're moving towards the answer. Now, since we are told that angle H here, DHG, is 86 degrees over here, we can actually find this angle here, HGC. Okay, why? Because this is a rectangle, which means this line here, AD, is parallel to this line, BC. Okay, and angles between parallel lines add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so that is the first rule we can apply. So let me write it here. So angle HGC is equals to 180 degrees minus 86 degrees. Okay, the rule we are applying is angles between parallel lines. Okay, and the answer for this would be 94 degrees. So let me write it here, 94 degrees. Okay, so now we can see that on BC, which is a straight line, we already know two angles, and the unknown angle is actually what we want to find, angle FGE. And we can now apply another rule, which is that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So angle FGE is equals to 180 degrees minus 48 degrees minus 94 degrees. Okay, and the rule we are applying is angles on a straight line. Okay, and the answer for this would be 38 degrees. Okay, so that is the answer here for part A. So for part A, we have the answer as 38 degrees. Okay, so let me write it here as well, 38 degrees. All right, good. Now let's carry on. Now the next angle we're supposed to find is EDH. Okay, so let me take a note over here. This is the angle we are supposed to find. Now in order to find this angle, let's look at the other information that we have. Okay, we know that in the triangle BFG over here, one of the angles is given as 48 degrees. And since this is a rectangle, the corners are 90 degrees. With that, I can find this angle over here. Correct? So angle BFG is equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 48 degrees. Okay, and the rule we are applying here is sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, so the final answer here for BFG is 42 degrees. Okay, so let me write it here, 42 degrees. Now we can apply the same rule as we did earlier, which is angles on a straight line. Okay, so for the line AFB, I already know two angles, 92 and 42, so I can find this angle over here. So that angle here, AFD, okay, angle AFD will be 180 degrees minus 92 degrees minus 42 degrees. Okay, so the reasoning is angles on a straight line. Okay, and the answer for this would be 46 degrees. So let me put it here, 46 degrees. Okay, and now we can see that we have another triangle here, ADF, and this is 90 degrees, angle DAF, because this is a rectangle. So we can finally find our answer for part B by applying the rule, which is the sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so for the final answer here, angle EDH, it will be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 46 degrees. Okay, so the reasoning is sum of angles in a triangle, and the answer here would be 44 degrees. Okay, so the answer for part B is 44 degrees. All right, so you can see that as long as you apply the rules correctly, you can find other angles along the way, which will lead you towards the final answer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.